Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix DNS server error. Like let's say you try to browse something in the internet and you get an error message. DNS server not responding or not working. It could happen on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 11. And fixing is very simple step you should take, and like most of the time you just restart your router, it goes away. If it doesn't, then follow this procedure. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First thing, I'm just gonna right click on start and click on run, and then I'm gonna type ncpa.cbl. Hit OK. And once you come over here, this is your network connections, all the network connection you have in the home or office, whatever, right? So I have like several connections, and at this moment, this is the one I'm using right now, Wi-Fi Masbaur internet 5 gigahertz. Okay, just gonna right click on that and go to properties, and then you're gonna click on internet protocol version 4 TCP/IP, and then you go to properties, and over here you see obtain an IP address automatically. You don't do nothing in there. So, and over here says obtain DNS server address automatically. Sometimes what happens is like when you set to obtain address automatically, what happens is like sometimes they change the with server address or whatever. So in that case you cannot communicate, and this is where you get the message from, like DNS server is not responding. The main function for the DNS is like RAM resolution service, because when you type google.com whatever at yahoo.com, that computer doesn't understand what is google.com. You know, like that thing, what they do in the background is they translate into the IP address, set of numbers, and computer understands 0 and 1, as you know, right? So this is the reason that's the reason you need DNS for name and resolution. Okay, translate the name into a IP address. That's the main function. Anyways, I'm not getting into it in details. So over here, when you come over here, say you should use that like their DNS server, like those dedicated DNS server, such as Google server or Cloudflare DNS server. I believe this is the best one. Right now I'm using it, and you're just gonna come over. You're just gonna click on use the following DNS server address, and then type that following numbers, okay, which I will put in the description. Okay, I'll put all the steps in there. If you still have a question, feel free to hit me in the comment down below. Anyway, so you're just gonna come over here and you're gonna type 1.1.1.1, and the next one, alternative DNS server, would be 1001. This is the Cloudflare DNS server address, the dedicated server, and you're just gonna click on OK, close it, and then just gonna close this one too. Click on start and type CMD. Once you come over here, see the command prompt over here. You remember like DOS prompt? There's a command prompt. That was a long time ago, during dinosaur age. Anyways, and then you're just gonna right click over here and you're gonna click on run as administrator. Make sure you do that, okay? Otherwise it's not gonna work. Click yes. Once you come over here, you're just gonna type this command. I'll put that thing in the description as well. IP config space slash forward slash flash DNS. Hit enter. See, successfully flashed the DNS result cache. And the next one, you just hit that up arrow. It's gonna bring back that previous command. You don't need to retype it again. Okay, just gonna erase this one right here, and I'm gonna put another command. Okay, which is register DNS. Hit enter. Okay, that's all done. And if you still have problem, it could be the either issue with the router, or it could be your software issue such as browser. Maybe you need to clear up the cache in the browser and delete some temporary files. Could be various reasons. So, but most of the cases, believe me, that should fix that issue. Okay. And I hope you find this video some value. If you like this video, please consider subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comment down below how did that help you to fix that error. Until next time, stay fit, and thanks for watching.